Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Download and install the Castto app from your device store. Open the app and follow the initial permission prompts to allow local network access. Ensure both your phone and target display share the same Wi-Fi network without VPN interference. Tap the device list to discover compatible receivers on your network. If needed, scan the TV QR code to pair quickly and securely. Keep your devices within reasonable range for stable connectivity and minimal packet loss. Restart the app if the receiver fails to appear in the device list. Select the target device from the Castto device list to start mirroring. Choose Screen Mirror for full display sharing or Cast Media to stream videos and photos. Use resolution and audio options in-app to balance quality and latency for your session. Toggle the microphone or system audio capture to include sound when necessary. Use the full screen toggle on the receiver to remove UI overlays during presentations. Control streaming playback from either device for pause, seek, and volume adjustments. End casting with the stop button to release the connection cleanly. Update Castto and the receiver firmware if connections become unreliable or unstable. Disable VPNs and check firewall rules that may block local device discovery on your network. Use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for lower latency and smoother video performance when available. If you still experience lag, reduce the mirrored resolution in the app to decrease bandwidth usage. Consider a wired HDMI or USB-C connection as an alternative for zero-latency presentations. Restart both devices and your router after persistent failures to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.